How to share contents in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to share the posts to others of that app, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now simply scroll down and search for the content where you want to share. Just like this. After finding it, simply tap on to share button at the bottom, just right here. Now tap on it. Then here you can find the different kinds of platforms where you can send this content, which are WhatsApp, Message, Instagram stories and many more. Now simply tap onto one and simply send it. You can also copy the link and send the link as well. And that's it. This is how you can share contents in the Reddit app. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.